Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix and solve all this problem on Twitter. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, now go directly to apps or applications. As you see here, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Twitter only. When you found Twitter, guys, just open it like this, then go directly to storage option, then click on clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop, and also click OK. And the last things is to go to Play Store and update in your Twitter, and then you have to restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another videos.